Hello there. Today we'll learn about method of standard pronunciation of Korean, which is regulated by the National Institute of the Korean Language. It contains 6 chapters in total, and today we will look at from chapter 1 to chapter 3. Okay, let's look at chapter 1, General Rules. Section 1. Standard pronunciation is abided by the real pronunciation according to the tradition and rationality of Korean language. When it says the tradition and rationality of Korean language, it sounds so abstract. So you can think in this way, as you can see in the parentheses. It is the pronunciation of contemporary speakers of Seoul people. Seoul is the city of where? Yeah, South Korea, the capital city of South Korea. The speakers of Seoul people who are educated. So that is the standard pronunciation of Korean language. Okay, now let's look at chapter 2, consonants and vowels. Section 2. Korean consonants are composed of 19 consonants. That is a standard. These are 19 consonants. And name of consonants are already taught in the previous class, so you can see how I named them in Korean character. So at this time, I just pronounce them instead of writing them. Okay, 기역, 쌍기역. 쌍 means what? Double. Okay, so you have two 기역, so you call 쌍기역. Okay, 니은, 디귿, 쌍디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 쌍비읍, 시옷, 쌍시옷, 이응, 지읒, 쌍지읒, 치읒, 키읔, 티읒, 피읒, 히읗. So it becomes 19 in total. Okay? And for vowels for Korean language, standard 21 vowels are shown below here. Starting from A, 에, 야, 에, 어, 에, 여, 예, 오, 와, 왜, 을, 요, 우, 워, 왜, 의, 유, 으, 의, 이. Okay? Here, when you see these two, the contemporary Koreans tend to not to distinguish them these days. So you can just pronounce yeah, okay? Okay, now let's look at section 4. 아, 에, 어, 에, 오, 을, 우, 위, 의 are pronounced as simple vowels, that is monophone. But when you see 위, 위 can be pronounced as diphthong to easy to pronounce. So instead of saying 위, you say 왜. Instead of saying 우, you say we. That's easier. Okay? Now let's look at section 5. Section 5. 야, 에, 여, 예, 와, 왜, 요, 워, 의, 유, 의 are pronounced as diphthong. Here, many Koreans, when you look at this and where these two, many Koreans don't tend to distinguish. Some distinguish them, some don't. Okay, bear in mind. Here, let's look at but one. As you can see, these vowels are, okay, they are the same. Diphthong, right? But pronounced as monophthong. That is 저, 저, 쳐. When they are inflected as predicate. For example, when you say 가지요, when it's shortened, it becomes like this. And it pronounced as 저. Okay? Another example is 찌어. When it's shortened, it becomes like this, but you pronounced as monophthong. Okay? And 다치요, when it's shortened, it becomes like this, but still it's pronounced as monophthong. 다쳐. Okay? But number 2, apart from 예 and 래, 예 can be pronounced as 에. Okay? Now let's move on. Chapter 3. Length of pronunciation. Section 6. While the length of pronunciation for vowels is distinctive, that is distinguished, but these days the length of pronunciation is starting to disappear, but still has. Only for the first part of syllable. Only for the first part of syllable can have a long vowel. i.e., look at this. 눈 보라. 눈 means snow. 보라 means storm. So actually it's a compound word, snow plus storm, and in this case the first part of syllable can have a long vowel, that is 눈 보라, right? And 말씨, this one also has a long vowel in the first syllable, that is 말씨. 밤나무, it's a walnut tree. 밤 means walnut and 나무 means tree, and it's also compound word. and also it has long vowel in the first syllable. That is 밤, 나무. Let's look at number 2. 수많이, also pronounced as a long vowel in the first syllable. And these two words don't have a long vowel pronunciation. Okay, note. There is a tendency that contemporary Koreans seem not to distinguish the length of pronunciation, okay, for the first part of a syllable than before, unless necessary. But when it comes to compound words, other parts of syllables clearly have a long vowel. As you can see, 반, 신, 바니, or 반신, 바니. Here, 제 3, 제 4. Okay, these are compound words, and it could have a long vowel, even though it's not in the first syllable. Okay, let's move on to attachment. In the case of predicate, even though the stem of a word is combined with ending a, becoming one syllable, it still has a long pronunciation. That is, even though it became a shortened one-syllable word, it still has a long sound. For example, 보아, it shortened 봐. Another example is that 돼요, it's shortened as 돼. For 두어, it's shortened as 두어. For 하여, it's shortened as 해. But those words shown below do not pronounce with a long vowel. These are shortened as a one-syllable word, but it doesn't have a long vowel. For example, 오와, as it is shortened as 와. 지어, it is shortened as 저. 지어, it is shortened as 저. 치어, it is shortened as 쳐. Okay, when you think about the length of pronunciation, you can just think, oh, there are these kinds of examples. So try not to memorize them. Just you think, oh, there are rules for the length of pronunciation. Okay, that is about it. You don't have to remember them. Even native speakers Korean, they don't clearly distinguish them. Okay, you can distinguish them in the context of situation. So this is kind of example that there are rules about the length of pronunciation. Okay. Okay. Section 7. Even though there are syllables with a long vowel, they are pronounced short in the below cases. Pronounced short. Number one, monosyllabic predicate stamp plus a vowel ending. That is, 감다 means it's a similar meaning is wash. Okay, it is a basic form 감다, and 감 is stamp, predicate stamp. Okay, and 은이 is vowel ending. Okay. In this case, they don't have a long vowel. 밟다 means step on. It's a basic form, okay? And 밥 is a stamp, okay? For the predicate. And 으면 is vowel ending. Okay, 신다 means what? Put on something, like shoes, okay? Put on something. 신다 is a basic form, and 신 is what now? Okay, right, stamp. And 어 is a vowel ending. 알다 means acknowledge. Or no. Al is what? Yeah, stamp. Means is vowel ending. But you know, as English does have exceptions, Korean language also has exceptions. So exceptions are shown below. 끌다 is the basic form, and it's pronounced as 끌어. 떨다 is a basic form, but this is pronounced as 떫은. It's a long pronunciation. 벌다, 벌어. 썰다, 썰어. 없다, 없으니. Okay, as I mentioned before, try to not to remember them. Just you think, oh, there are the rules of length of pronunciation for Korean language. Okay. Okay, number 2. When predicate stamp plus passive suffix or imperative suffix, when they are combined, it doesn't have a long pronunciation. For example, 밟다, what does it mean? Yeah, step on. He is, in this case, passive suffix. So when it's combined with passive suffix, it just pronounced short, 밟히다, instead of long pronunciation. 꼬다. 꼬다 means, twist. And 꼬이다 means twisted. In this case also, it doesn't have a long sound, a long pronunciation. And 감다 means when you wash your hair, you say 감다. Okay, 감다 is basic form. 감 is stem. 기다 is ending. You know, but there are always exceptions, as does English language. 끌리다, 벌리다, 없애다. Attachment. Below compounds are pronounced short regardless of the original length. For example, 밀물, 썰물, 손살같이, 작은 아버지. Okay, as I mentioned before, in terms of length of pronunciation, try to not to memorize them, okay? Even Koreans don't tend to distinguish them in terms of length unless it is necessary. So try not to memorize them. But just remember, there is a case, the length of pronunciation. Okay, today we learned about the standard Korean pronunciation, starting from chapter 1 to chapter 3. Chapter 1 was, we were talking about general rules. Chapter 2 we talked about standard Korean vowels and consonants. And chapter 3 we talked about the length of pronunciation. Next time we'll talk about from chapter 4 to chapter 7. In fact, there is chapter 7. Okay? So in total, we will learn from chapter 1 to chapter 7. So next time we'll talk about starting from chapter 4. See you then. Bye. Hello there. Today we'll learn about a method of standard pronunciation of Korean part 2. Chapter 4, pronunciation of final consonant. Section 8. The pronunciation of final consonant is only the following 7 consonants. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 이응. 7 consonants are used as the final consonant in a syllable. Section 9. The consonants 쌍기역, 키읔 are pronounced as 기역 as final consonant. 시옷, 쌍시옷, 지읒, 치읒, 티읒 are pronounced as 디귿 in the final consonant. 피읍 is pronounced as 비읍 in the final consonant. For example, 닦다, 키읔, 옷, 웃다, 있다, 젖, 빗다, 꽃, 쫓다, 솥, 뱉다, 앞, 덮다. Okay, section 10. Double consonant finals such as 기역시옷, 니은지읒, 리을비읍, 리을시옷, 리을티읒, 비읍, 시옷 are pronounced as 기역, 니은, 리을, 비읍, respectively, when placed as final consonants or before consonants. For example, 넉, 넉과, 앉다, 여덟, 넓다, 외골, 할다, 갑, 없다. But Bob is pronounced as Bob. before consonants, nub is pronounced as not in the following cases. 밥다, 밥소, 밥지, 밟는, 밟게, 밟고, 넙죽하다, 넙둥글다. Section 11. Double consonants such as 리을 기역, 리을 미음, 리을 피읍 are pronounced as 기역, 미음, 비읍 respectively. That is, 닭, 흙과, 막다, 늙지, 삶, 젊다, 읍고, 읍다. The final sound of 리을 기역 is in the stem of predicate. That is, when predicate is used. It is pronounced as 리을 before 기역. For example, 맑게, 묽고, 얽거나. Section 12. The final consonant he, ut is pronounced as follow. Number 1. When here is or 니은 히읗, 리을 히읗 followed by 기역, 디귿, 지읒, their combined pronunciation is 키읔, 티읕, 치읒 when the two are combined. For example, 놓고, 좋던, 쌓지, 많고, 않던, 달치. Attachment 1. When the final consonants 기역 or 리을 기역, 디귿, 비읍 or 리을 비읍, 지읒 or 니은 지읒 are followed by 히읗. Their combined pronunciation is 기역, 키읔, 티읕, 치읒 as well. For example, 각하, 먹히다, 밝히다, 맏형, 좁히다, 넓히다, 꽂히다, 앉히다. Attachment 2. According to the final consonant pronunciation rule, the final consonants such as 시옷, 지읒, 치읒, 티읒, which are pronounced as 디귿. It is pronounced as 티읒 before or after 히읗 when the two are combined. For example, 옷 한 벌, 낫 탄 때, 꽃 한 송이, 수 타다. Number 2. When here is followed by 시옷, their combined pronunciation is 쌍시옷. For example, 다소, 만소, 실소. Number 3. When here is followed by niun, here is pronounced as niun. That is assimilation. 놓는, 쌌네. Attachment. When niun hiut or liul hiut are followed by niun, hiut is not pronounced. That is 앉네, 앉는, 뚫래. It's assimilated. 뚫는. Number 4. When hiut or niun hiut, liul hiut is followed by a vowel ending or a vowel suffix, hiut is not pronounced. For example, 나은, 놓아, 쌓이다, 많아, 앉는, 달아, 싫어도. Section 13. When single consonant final vowels, final syllables or double consonant final syllables are combined with either postpositions or suffixes which are starting with vowels, the phonetic value of the consonant final syllables are pronounced in the following initial sound. Okay, let's look at 쌍기역 is pronounced in the following initial vowel position. 깎아, right? 앉아, it's moved. 닭을, 젊어, 꽂아, 꽃을, 쫓아, 밭에. 앞으로, 덮이다. Section 14. When double consonant final syllables are not the same consonants, that is, the same consonants are like this, but different consonants are what? Like this. The letter consonant in the double consonant final syllable is pronounced in the following postpositions or suffixes, which are starting with the vowels. In this case, 시옷 is pronounced as fortis. For example, 넋이, 앉아, 닭을, 젊어, 골시, 핥아, 읊어, 값을, 없어. Section 15. When syllable final consonants are followed by a, o, u, we vowels. If the vowels are connected to lexical morphemes means that which has meanings, not grammatical morphemes, but the word that has meanings. The syllable final consonants are changed to representative sounds. You remember I told you that there are 7 consonants that are used as the final consonants in a syllable. They are pronounced in the following initial sound. For example, 바다래, 느밥, 젖더미, 맛없다, 겉옷, 헛웃음, 꽃 위, 꽃 위. But 맛있다, 멋있다 can be pronounced as 맛있다, 멋있다 as well. Attachment. When syllable final consonant or double consonants are not the same consonants, only one of the two is pronounced in the following initial sound. For example, 너 곱다, 다갑해, 값어치, 값 있는. Section 16. When the names of Korean alphabets are pronounced in the final syllable position, 디귿, 지읒, 치읒, 키읔, 티읒, 피읒, 히읗 are pronounced below, in particular in the following initial sound. 디귿이, 지읒이, 치읒이, 키읔이, 티읒이, 피읒이, 히읗이. 디귿을, 지읒을, 치읒을, 키읔을, 티읒을, 피읒을, 히읗을. 디귿에, 지읒에, 치읒에, 키읔에, 티읒에, 피읒에, 히읗에. Okay, that's all for today. And we'll talk about the other part as part 3 for pronunciation. And now it's almost the end of 2020. And tomorrow is Christmas, so I want to say Merry Christmas in advance. 즐거운 크리스마스 되세요. Bye. Okay, today we'll be talking about method of standard pronunciation of Korean, which is 표준 발음법, Chapter 5, Assimilation, 동화, Section 17. When final consonant 디귿, 티읒 is combined with either postposition or suffix of e, the final consonant 디귿 or 티읒 is changed to pronounce as 지읒 or 치읒 in the following syllable as an initial sound. For example, 디귿 followed by e becomes 고지, 굳이, 미닫이, 땀바지. 티읒 followed by e, 바치, 벼훌치. Attachment. When suffix he is combined with the final consonant 디귿 and it becomes t and it's changed to 치. For example, 디귿 followed by 히읗, 히, 굳히다, 다치다, 묻히다. Okay, section 18. Final consonant 디귿, 기역, 디귿, 비읍 are pronounced as 이응, 미음, 니은 respectively in front of 니은, 미음. Okay, 기역 followed by 니은 becomes 먹는, 국물, 깎는, 키읔만, 목목시, 긁는, 흙만, 닿는, 짓는, 온맵시, 있는, 맞는, 전멍을, 쫓는, 꽃망울, 붙는, 놓는, 잡는, 밤물, 앞마당, 밟는, 읊는, 없는. Okay. Attachment. When two words are pronounced consecutively, the same rule is applied as shown above. These are two words, but when they are pronounced consecutively, it also has assimilation
책 플러스 넣는다, 책 넣는다. 흙 플러스 말리다, 흙 말리다. 옷 플러스 맞추다, 옷 맞추다. 밥 플러스 먹는다, 밥 먹는다. 값 플러스 매기다, 값 매기다. Section 19. The initial consonant li을 coming after the final consonant 미음 미음 is pronounced as 니은. For example, 담 plus 리을, 담력, 침략, 강릉, 항로, 대통령. Attachment. The initial consonant 리을 coming after the final consonant 기역, 비읍 also pronounced as 니은. 기역 followed by 리을 becomes 이응, 막론, 성류, 협력, 법리. Section 20. 니은 is pronounced as 리을 before or after 리을. 난로, 신라, 천리, 광활루, 대관령. 칼날, 물난리, 줄넘기. 할른지. Attachment. The final consonant 리을, 티읕 are also pronounced as 리을 before the initial consonant 니은. 닳는, 뚫는, 할래. But the following words including 리을 is pronounced as 니은. So this case it becomes 니은, okay? But usually pronounced as 리을, but in this case these words are pronounced as 니은, so bear in mind. 의견난, 임진난, 생산량, 결단력, 권권력, 동원령, 상견례, 횡단로, 이원론, 입원료, 구근유. Section 21. Apart from above mentioned rules, no other consonant assimilation rules are accepted. So these are not accepted. Section 22. In the case of the following predicate, the ending should be pronounced as a, but it is allowed to pronounce as 여. i.e., 이요 아니요 are pronounced 이요 아니요 are allowed to be pronounced as 이요 아니요 accordingly. Okay, today we talked about assimilation, and if you want to download the information about the pronunciation, you can check this website. See you next time. Thank you. Hi there. Today we will be talking about Chapter 6, Tensification, Section 23. The initial consonants 기역, 디귿, 비읍, 시옷, 지읒 coming after the final consonants 기역, 디귿, 비읍 are tensificated. That is, 국밥, 깎다, 넉바지, 삭돈, 닭장, 칡범, 멋대다, 옷고름, 입던, 곧고, 꽃다발, 낯설다, 밭가리, 솥전, 곱돌, 덮개, 옆집, 넙죽하다, 읍조리다, 갑 지다. So as you can see, the initial consonant 비읍 the initial consonant 비읍 is coming after 기역. 비읍 itself is pronounced as tensified 비읍, that is 뿌, right? And here the initial consonant 디귿 is coming after the final consonant 쌍기역, that is pronounced as 기역. It's intensified as 뜨, right? So it's pronounced as 깍따. Okay. Okay, let's look at section 24. The initial consonant, initial sounds of the ending predicates 기역, 디귿, 시옷, 지읒 combined after the final consonants 니은, 미음 of the stem of predicate are tensificated. That is, the initial sound of the ending predicate, which is here can be 기역, right? And the final consonant 니은. When they are linked together, this initial consonants is pronounced as double consonant, that is 쌍기역, which is tensificated as 끄, 신고, 껴안다, 안고, 얹다, 삶고, 더듬지, 담고, 점지. Okay, now let's look at note. Here, 기, which is used as either passive suffix or imperative suffix, is not intensificated. That is, here 기 is here gi's are either passive suffix or imperative suffix, so they are not tensificated. Here it's pronounced as 안기다, 감기다, 굶기다, 옮기다. Okay, section 25. The initial sounds of the ending of predicates 기역, 디귿, 시옷, 지읒 combined after the stem of predicate 리을, 비읍, 리을, 티읕 are tensificated. That is, here the initial sound of the ending predicate 기역 combined after the stem of predicate 리을, 비읍. In this case, 기역 is pronounced as 쌍기역, that is 넓게. Here 핥다, 훌쏘, 떨지. Okay. Section 26. In terms of Sino-Korean words, Sino means Chinese. Korean words, the initial consonants digut, shiot, jiut coming after the final consonant liur are tensificated. The initial consonants digut, shiot, jiut. Here, initial consonant digut. The final consonant liur, in this case, is pronounced as 갈등, 불소, 발전, 발동, 일시, 몰상식, 절도, 갈증, 불세출, 말살, 물질. Sino-Korean words means what? Chinese loan words, okay? Note that if the Sino-Korean words use the same character in a row, they are not tensificated. Here, these Chinese loanwords come consecutively, right? Consecutively, then they are not tensificated. That is, you pronounce as 허허실실, 절절하다, 허허실실. Okay? Section 27. The initial consonants 기역, 디귿, 비읍, 시옷, 지읒 coming after the adnominal form 을, 을, or 을을 are tensificated. Adnominal is in English, it's like apostrophe s or of. That is adnominal, okay? In Korean form, it's 을이을. Let's see here. 할 것을, 할 수는, 할 또리, 갈 때가, 할 적에, 만날 사람, 할 바를, 갈 곳. Note, if there is a pause between them, the initial consonants 기역, 디귿, 비읍, 시옷, 지읒 are pronounced as they are. That is, they are not tensificated. For example, when I pronounce slowly between these two words, then they are not tensificated. Here, 할 것을, 할 수는, 할 도리, right? But if you pronounced consecutively, then they are tensificated. That is, 할 것을, 할 수는, 할 도리, 할 도리. Okay? Attachment. The initial consonants 기역, 디귿, 비읍, 시옷, 지읒 coming after the ending of predicate 을, 리을 are tensificated as well. Here, 기역 and 리을, when they comes consecutively, 기역 is changed to 쌍기역, that is tensificated. 할 걸, 할수록, 할진대, 할 밖에, 할지라도, 할세라, 할지언정. Okay, section 28. Even though orthographically 사이시옷, meaning 시옷 spelling appears in between in a compound word, 사이시옷 does not appear. If 사이시옷 is supposed to be used as the adnominal case functionally, then the initial consonants 기역, 디귿, 비읍, 시옷, 지읒 of the second word are tensificated. That is, here, when it's pronounced 문고리, it's pronounced as tensificated pronunciation, that is 상기역. It doesn't show 사이시옷 here, right? Orthographically. However, these consonants are tensificated if it's used as the nominal case, even though it doesn't show 사이시옷. Nominal is in English apostrophe s, right? Or of. Here, 산새, 물동이, 술잔, 아침밥, 초승달, 강줄기, 눈동자, 손재주, 발바닥, 바람결, 잠자리, 등불, 신바람, 길가, 굴속, 금음달, 강가, 창살. Okay. Okay, today we talked about tensification in method of standard pronunciation of Korean. Next class will be the last class for method of standard pronunciation of Korean. Thank you. See you next time. Hello there. Today is the final chapter for the method of standard pronunciation of Korean. Yeah, it's been a long journey, and this is the last chapter. Okay, great. Chapter 7, epenthesis, insertion of phoneme. Section 29, in a compound word and the derivative, in case the preceding word or the end of prefix is a consonant and the initial syllable of the following word or a suffix is 이, 야, 여, 요, 유, 니은 is inserted and is pronounced as 니, 냐, 녀, 뇨, 뉴. Okay, let's see. Here it's end with mium sound and followed by E. So this one is pronounced as ni. And this one pronounced as 혼니불, 망닐, 상닐, 맨잎, 꽃잎, 내복약, 한여름, 남존여비, 신여성, 색연필, 직행열차, 늑막염, 콩엿, 담요, 눈요기, 영업용, 식용유, 백분율, 밤윷. Okay, note. The following words are pronounced with the insertion of ni은, but they can be also pronounced as they are. Like when ni은 is inserted here, it can be pronounced either 이죽, 니죽, or as they are, 이주, 기주. 야금, 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 야그, oh, sorry. 야금, 야금. Oh, strange. 검열, 거멸. 욜랑, 욜랑, 욜랑. 금융 or 금융. Okay. Number 2, when 사이시옷, that is comes before the initial consonant ni은, 미음, the 사이시옷 pronounced as ni은. For example, 사이시옷 comes before ni은, it's pronounced as 니은, 콧날, 아랫니, 툇마루, 뱃머리. Okay, number 3, when 사이시옷 comes before E sound, the 사이시옷 and E sound are pronounced as 니은, 니은, 느느. For example, 베갯잎, 깻잎, 나뭇잎, 도리깻열, 뒷윷. So references is shown below. When you click this link, you can download the Korean explanation for method of standard pronunciation of Korean. In my case, I translate those Korean explanation into English. So hope this can be helpful for you guys to learn Korean pronunciation. And this was such a long journey to finish, and hope I can do a more easier lecture that I can give you next time. But I just wanted to finish because this method of standard pronunciation of Korean is kind of what rules that you need to know and follow. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you have to remember all. But when it comes to curiosity, when you are curious, you can check this on out as a rule. Okay, thank you. See you next time.